you rescue me? Because my ship is sinking and I'm drowning at sea. So can you rescue me from me? Can you rescue me?
Have you ever been hated or discriminated against? I have. I've been protested and demonstrated against. Picket signs for my wicked rhymes. Look at the time. Sick is the mind of the motherfucking kid that's behind. All this commotion, emotions run deep as oceans exploding. Tempers flaring from parents, just blow them off and keep going. Not taking nothing from no one. Give them hell long as I'm breathing. Keep kicking ass in the morning and taking names in the evening. Even with the taste of sour, it's vinegar in their mouth. See, they can trigger me, but they'll never figure me out. Look at me now, I bet you're probably sick of me now. Ain't you, mama? I'ma make you look so ridiculous now. I got some skeletons in my closet and I don't know if no one knows it. So before they throw me inside my coffin and close it, I'ma expose it. I'll take you back to 73, before I ever had a multi-platinum selling CD.
Because my ship is sinking and I'm drowning at sea. So can you rescue me from me? Can you rescue
Yeah, I ain't
me?
what you assume, so think twice. I guarantee that they don't have a clue what I think like. I might come across like a rebel, I see life out of the box, don't put me in it. I